My name is Shamia Eley, and I am the Senior Workforce Manager at the RealReal. The RealReal is a luxury consignment business. We will not be able to supply our customers with the demand side of the world if we do not have the supply. So our actual business is built on our supply business. If we don't have the supply, we won't have a business. When I joined the group, our main challenges were that we didn't understand the solution. Coming in, we had an innovative solution and it was built. However, just the understanding behind what we actually had in front of us and how we schedule our stores is what we needed. So I came in, I brought the understanding, I learned the solution, and now I'm in an implementing stage to bring our team closer into using Legion on the forefront. The biggest impact on our operation was our scheduler. We used our schedule. We needed to understand what the numbers were that were building into our schedule. So I've been able to have our teams understand that we are not a demand team. We are a supply team. So changing up those numbers and making sure that our supply numbers are now feeding into our Legion solution has helped our teams trust the solution, building schedules, and it's also helped us build our schedule score. So when it came to our schedule score, I noticed that a lot of our teams were copying their old schedule. So now I've pushed out the change of having our schedule copy completely off. We need to trust what we have built inside of the solution and move forward. The best part about it is that we have the app. So now with our teams filling a lot of our team members, we're using our phones. We're in 2024. So now it's like they see their badges, they see their schedules, they could swap a schedule, the notes in the schedule. So maybe you might see that the store's open an hour later. To have all of that directly at your hands has been great. One of the biggest pieces was in one of our bigger stores. I did see that having a one-on-one on the ground with our field team, and I always take it back to understanding because that's the basis of where we are. That understanding of one of our bigger stores to say, my numbers are correct. This makes sense. I can spend more time on the floor with my team members. We can coach. We can bring a better experience to our customers that are coming in. And I'm not spending 5 hours to build a schedule out in Excel and then putting it inside of the platform. So just that experience for them to know like the trustworthy behind this solution that it's bringing, we need to move forward. I think the biggest employee feedback is that they're loving the app. Now that we've implemented badges, everybody's trying to get to the next badge. Wait, I can we see if I logged in correctly or I clocked in? I don't think this badge, took it. So having the like understanding behind their badges and what criteria you need to meet. And I love that you can actually build the badges on the back end. What badge should be for how many days you clocked in on time or if you're meeting a certain KPI, I really, really, really like that because it pushes our team members to make sure that they're meeting those goals. For me, it's been great. I ask a lot of questions. I bring a lot of things to the table. And in any Legion meeting that I've been in, I've never felt like, oh, you can't answer. You can't ask that, or you won't get an answer, or you won't get an email back in regards to just how to move forward or what that help looks like. So the onboarding for me, at first I wanted to learn. So I took a little time. I built my relationship with my CEO and kind of learned some of the back end, but moving forward, the partnership has been like amazing. And this went every aspect. I've had to meet with different parts of the Legion team. So those meetings have been so beneficial moving forward. So our future plan now, we're finishing our implementation with Workday. We are in EA for schedule templates, and then next will be Instapay. I love Legion.